Brian here with another look at Rndr. All right, we have broken this support line right here, okay, but we got some exciting stuff coming up as far as the technicals go, okay. First off, I want to give a shout out to three new members: a Black Moon, Jason Soto, and Butte Andy. Thank you so very much for joining the memberships. I appreciate that so very, very much, guys. There's 4 different levels you can join, starting out at 99 cents, and the 4th level, I'm actually teaching, putting trading videos in there, teaching people how to trade. So learning RSIs, learning how to draw trend lines using Fibonacci's, getting, nailing pullbacks, extensions on how far coins can go, trend-based extensions, Elliott waves. Pretty much everything that I know I'm putting in them videos. I'm putting out 1 or 2 videos a week in that section. RSIs, everything I know. And it took me years to, start learning these charts. But anything, if you guys want to go over there and join, I would appreciate that so very much. Or if you're trading and using futures contracts or just trading period, there's a link for Mexi in the description of the video. That helps me out a lot too. I'm just a little channel, so any bit helps. Just hitting the like button helps, guys, and subscribing. So thank you everybody for everything. Okay, been a fun ride so far, and I'm enjoying it. And let's move on here. Okay, we're going to see what's going on with Rndr here. First off, here's the crypto bubbles. All right, got some more stuff popping green here as the day goes on. Got some RSIs getting where they need to be. All right, got a lot of weekly RSIs getting ready to take off here. Cospa, boy, that thing's a beast, man. If you don't know much about Cospa, I pretty much put out a video every day on this thing. I've been covering it for a few months. Very, very great project, man. Don't miss this one. I'm telling you, that's a winner for sure. All right, so let's move on here, guys. Real quick look at Bitcoin, because we all know Bitcoin runs the market, right? So let's get a look at it real quick. Then we'll get right back here to Rndr. But Bitcoin is following this trend line right up here. It's actually doing fine. Okay, as long as it stays on this blue trend line, we are it's clearly in an uptrend. Okay, we got a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. And so far, this higher low coming in here. So Bitcoin is doing 100% fine. It has broken out of this little bit of resistance, this resistance line right here. Okay, the daily RSI is heading up, that's what you want to see. Okay, we got the weekly, boy oh boy, a 6201 and a 6265. It's so close to flipping back bullish. All right, we got the monthly bullish 93 and an 88. Okay, the 12 hours correcting, but you can see how it has broken out of this resistance right here. Okay, this is normally what a coin will do. It'll have the initial breakout. Okay, don't buy them big green candles up here. Wait for the pullback and the retest right here. Okay, then it starts to bounce. That's what's going on here with this thing, it looks like. All right, so Bitcoin is starting here. It's holding support there, 28,932 area. It has held that support. It looks like it's trying to make a move up. The 8 hour is heading up, and the 4 hour is turning up. So looks like this thing might be finally trying to get going here. Okay, let's move up back over to Rndr here. All right, and get a look what's going on here with this thing. The technicals, let's see what they say. All right, the technicals, the 1 day, the summary says it's a sell. The oscillators, a neutral, the moving averages say a sell. All right, you go down through here, the moving averages, pretty much all a sell. Momentum's a buy. The MACD level, that's a big one. It's a buy. So if the MACD's starting to flip over bullish, that's big. Okay, now I believe them are lagging indicators. I haven't even showed them for a long time. I shouldn't have even done that, but I don't put a whole lot of stock in them things. I really don't. Okay, but if we go out to the daily here, all right, you can see that we lost this trend, this channel, this upward channel, and I made a remark before when this I don't know, when we were in this price action and I did a render video. I don't like upward channels like this, okay? A lot of times they have a tendency to break down. All right, that's just a fact. I like falling wedges, stuff like that. Anything coming down, I like. Anything going up, I'm not a big fan of, because eventually it's going to lose that and break down a little bit. Now, all right, it is holding that $1.72 area right here. And this thing has gone sideways in here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. About 2 weeks now. Okay, it's held this range. All right, so it's grabbed it, it's held on, and so far we're holding on there. We have the daily RSI heading up. Okay, now look at this one. Look at that weekly, almost reset. That's the big one. All right, so that's the one you want to see going here. Okay, right now we're at all zeros and 0.45. So this is Thursday. By Sunday, this thing should be reset. And the weekly, that's where you can get your big monster moves from, okay? I don't know if this has a monthly. No, it don't, okay? But, yeah, not much of a chart here on this thing, really. This has a high of 794 on it. All right, let's go back here to the 12-hour. All right, we got the 12. The 12-hour has a green candle and it's starting to push up, and the RSI is actually starting to push up too. The 8-hour heading up. Okay, that's good to see. That's what we want to see here. The 4-hour, same story, heading up. Okay, now we got you can see a resistance right there. Okay, right. Boom, right there. Okay, at $1.80. That's going to be the one. You can see it was resistance all through here, and that's what we're heading for. Okay, so we need to flip that $1.80, $1.80.9, basically $1.81 almost, really. Let's make that a little bit smaller. All right, so it fits in there. You can see it was support here. Let's go through this, okay? Support here, all right? Then we came down, resistance. It's kind of busted up a little bit, but resistance mostly all through here. Resistance again, okay? Looks like it's heading for it again. We want to break through that and flip that into support now, okay? Very crucial, all right? And I believe with that weekly ready to flip around. And we still got plenty of momentum in that daily. It's at a 79 and a 62, so it would be nice to see this thing bust back up through here. Right back up through there, okay, support, and then bust back up into this this channel and keep going. All right, so Rndr is looking all right, especially with that weekly spinning around here. I believe it's going to hold that $1.72 area. It's actually pushing up as I'm making this video. It's up to $1.78.6. All right, if we go into 15-minute, you can see here. Yeah, look, just as I'm making this video, look at the last 15 minutes, this thing's still pushing up here. All right, so watch out for that, call it $1.81. We need to flip that $1.81 into support. All right, that's going to be a big area to keep an eye on. Obviously, yeah, it's been kind of a channel in here, all right, bouncing around in here. This could actually be pulled down just a hair. Right there, lockout right there. That $1.71 to $1.80. Just been, came down here, bounced, just coming up, back down, up, back down. Now we're finally going to break through that. Hopefully, we'll find out here real soon. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Consider joining the channel. It's only 99 cents a month, and I would appreciate it. There's 4 different levels in there. You can go check them out. If you're into learning how to trade this market and learn how to read charts, you can join level 4. And they're members only videos in there and all kinds of stuff. I'm going to start putting in there. I think the level 4s, I think we're going to start actually putting some trade setups in there and stuff like that. So want to make it worth your while, guys. Everybody works hard for the money. This isn't financial advice either, please. Okay, do your own research with everything out there and invest your money wisely. Thank you so very much for watching my video, guys, and taking your time to do so. I appreciate that more than you know. Have a great night.